What's going on, everybody? Brian here with Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome to this week's Quick Tip Tuesday video where we help you with quick tips to help you get your money right in terms of your business or personal finances. And this week's topic is to ask for help. Should you, as an entrepreneur, ask for help? And the answer is absolutely, ladies and gentlemen. Some people might not term it as asking for help, right? But even the world's wealthiest people still have mentors and people they go to in terms of asking for help or mentorship, okay? So you, especially for those of you who are just getting started, whether that's online or offline businesses, you want to ask for help, right? Even if you're completely knowledgeable about one area or aspect of your business, you're not going to know everything about the full-on business aspect of it. And if you do and you try to take on every different area of your business, right, chances are you're going to get burnt out very, very fast. Or if not, you're just not going to achieve the level of success that you aspire to get to. You can achieve it much faster with getting other people involved and asking for help, okay? Now, many people, even myself, have been in places where you feel like maybe you're being bothersome to someone else by asking them for help, right? But here's the thing. Most people who you're going to ask for help absolutely want to help you or just help other people, okay? Number one, it's a sign of appreciation, a sign of you showing respect for people's skill sets, their intellect, their experiences, okay? Right? So it feeds into the ego, so to speak, of many people. And if you're reaching out to someone who has had, some noteworthy success in life or business, whatever it is, right? They're probably somebody who recognizes that one of the greatest ways to learn what they've learned or to get to where they've gotten to is by teaching others. That's one thing that you'll learn from successful people, is that successful people understand one of the greatest ways to learn is by teaching other people, right? Some things you can't read about and understand. Some things you can't go and listen to a lecture and understand. Some things you just have to learn them by doing them. That's the experience. And and a lot of successful people understand that, and therefore they're willing to teach and help other people, okay? Now, advice in terms of asking people for help, right? You're going to want to be specific about what you're asking them for help with, okay? So, you could be running a digital, social media marketing agency, okay? And you might know how to set up landing pages and build websites for companies, but you're having a problem with the basic fundamental of your business, which is getting clients, right? So maybe you reach out to someone in terms of saying, hey, I need help, but you don't say, hey, I need help with my social media marketing agency. I need to know X, Y, and Z about attracting and gaining new clients. How do I go about that? Okay, so whatever you're contacting people with and asking them for help, right? You found somebody who's an expert. If they're an expert, they spent a lot of time, a lot of energy, and probably a lot of money into learning the things they learn too. And so therefore their time is really valuable to them. Show them that you appreciate and you value their time by being very clear and very specific on what you're asking them for. Another thing, another tip in terms of asking people for help is make it easy for them to be able to communicate and help you, okay? So number one will be making it clear. What exactly are you asking of me, right? Make it clear for them to understand that, how they're exactly going to help you, and then make the form of communication really clear as well, okay? And guys, again, don't be afraid to reach out to people. This might sound really mundane. Some of you might be already doing this, but I know there's probably the greater majority is really afraid to help other people. And this could be one of the contributing reasons why so many businesses, over 90% of businesses fail, especially small businesses fail, whether that's, 10 employees or less, a solopreneur, somebody who's operating a business completely on their own. Most businesses are going to fail. And I think the fact that people are unwilling to reach out to people and ask them for help is a big part of that, okay? So, there's probably a lot more people out there in the world who are successful, who are willing to help people, than actual people willing to go out and ask for the help. So that is it for today's quick tip, guys. Don't be afraid as an entrepreneur to go out and ask other people, other entrepreneurs, experts in whatever their field of expertise is. Ask them for help. I'm telling you, you will not regret doing so, and you will be greatly appreciative of the fact that you did it, okay? So that's it. until next week, if you have any tips we can implement or do videos on, please let us know by commenting below. If you've gotten value from this short video, let us know by hitting that thumbs up and liking the video. If you haven't done so already, please hit the red subscribe button below and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we upload new content, because not only do we do our quick tip Tuesday videos, but we do other videos throughout the week to help you with information, tips, of course, and even online based opportunities to help you create additional flows and streams of income. All right. So with that said, this is Brian with the Revenue Pro Tips. Peace.